What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be giving you a complete review of Instarem and how to sign up and send money. So Instarem is a digital money transfer platform that allows you to send money to over 200 countries around the world. It was founded in 2014 and has its headquarters in Singapore. We'll be taking a look at the transfer method, some of the pros and cons, the options that you have to receive money, and in the end I'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can send and receive money with Instarem. It also allows you to have a digital wallet, which we'll be discussing further on in this video. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is the transfer options. Instarem offers a few options to deposit funds for your transfer. It may vary based on country and currency you are making the money transfer from. The first method is the bank transfer. The second one is direct bank payment using the Poly Australia system. The second option to send money is a direct bank payment using the Poly system. This is particularly for Australians. You also have the option to do a transfer using the SWIFT code. So what the SWIFT code does is that it uniquely identifies a bank in a country and then map it to the bank account that you'll be sending money to. For the receiving options, all Instarem transfers will be deposited directly to the local recipient's bank account in their domestic currency. So all recipients can collect money directly in the bank or at an ATM. Instarem also provides a mobile app for Android and iOS users. You can use it to initiate and track a transaction, but you can't do a direct top-up from the application. Some of the pros of the product include fast and secure transfer, bank beating exchange rates, very solid customer service 24/7. I must say I have to really give them the props for customer service because they are available 24/7. Once you message them, you'll get a response from them, and you don't find this with any other money transfer services. Well, not from my experience. You can open your account anytime, anywhere and start making international payments online, by phone or over email. So the only downside I've seen to Instarem so far is that the minimum transfer you can make is $50. They do not accept any cash or any third-party payments. Instarem is a licensed remittance service provider and is regulated and licensed by authorized bodies of countries they operate from. The service is registered and regulated by the Australian Securities and Investment Commission, the Hong Kong Custom and Excise Department, the Monetary Authority in Singapore, Bank of Negara, Malaysia, the Reserve Bank of India, just to name a few. How fast is Instarem? Well, typically the transfer for Instarem normally completes within 2 to 3 business days. Once the money is sent, it is also dependent on the receiving bank processing time. To get started with Instarem, click the link in the description below. It will take you to the Instarem website. Once you're there, select sign up. Once you're on the sign up page, specify whether you're an individual or a business. Then provide your email address and a password. At the time of recording this video, there is no referral code available, so make sure you check the description to see if one is available when you're watching this video. Once you're done that, select sign up. You could also sign up with Google or Facebook. So the next step is to complete your verification. You'll receive $20.50 or 100 Instarem points when you send over $500. This may vary depending on the country you are sending from. So complete verification, select continue or don't show again, and this page complete your personal information and then proceed to upload. Once you have completed all the personal information, proceed to upload. On the upload documents page, you need to verify your identity. Select the document that you're going to use and upload your required document. It's recommended that you use your phone to take a picture of your document and not a screenshot. Your document will be verified within 48 hours. Specify the ID number as well as the expiry date. Once you have specified the relevant information, select proceed to the address information. In order to verify your address, you need to upload a bank statement or your ID. So you specify the account number, the bank name, as well as the date the statement was generated. Then select save and continue. Your account will be verified within 24 hours and you'll get an email once it's completed. So let's go to the home. Once your account is verified on your dashboard, you'll see the option to initiate transaction. All you need to do is then specify the amount that you want to send, select the recipient type, whether it's going to be individual or corporate, and then select the recipient country. So I'm going to say Bulgaria, and then the sending currency, which I'm going to select USD. So on this page now, all you need to do is complete the information for the recipient, provide a SWIFT account for the bank as well as their bank account number, also the country of residence for the recipient. And once you do that, all you need to do is just save and continue and proceed to pay. And that's how you send money with Instarem. So that is for now guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.